Hello everybody and welcome to yet another video of the boat tip coming at you from the west coast of Sweden. In this video I'm going to be talking about the L32 that I found on Blocket, the Swedish selling site, the other day. It retails for only $3,500 and it's a nice boat. It seems like it's a project boat kind of. A lot of work has been done on it, a lot of renovation, stuff like that. Still a bit to do for you to put your mark on the boat. There's completely new sails, there's an electric engine on the boat. I think the rigging is also in really good shape as well. So there's not that much that could go wrong in this price range, I would say. The L32 as well, super well built boats, long keeled, just stable, heavy, nice boats to go long distance sailing with. I would say this is arguably top 5 best long distance sailboats in the world in the 31-32 feet range. Check out the ad in the description down below. The boat that I was tipping you about last week sold on auction. The winner of the auction was $17,000, but that didn't really make it to the reservation bid kind of thing, so the boat really didn't sell. I don't know what's gonna happen to that boat now, but I'll make sure to tell you guys when I know, or if I get to know. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and remember to hit the subscribe button as well to follow along on the journey, and I will see all you guys in the next video. Take care, bye.